Hello, this is a quick or fast, if you like, a fast lesson about that's the second video, level one, the verb to be negative. The structure is simple: subject plus verb to be plus not plus complement. But first of all, we're going to review what we did at lesson one. Verb to be: I am. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a gardener. I am, I don't know, a boy. I am, I'm, you can say you contract I am with I'm. I am, translates to I'm. I'm a teacher. I'm a gardener. I'm a worker. I'm a waiter. Whatever. I'm at home because verb to be can either be you are describing what you are, or you can describe your profession or where you are. You know, I'm at home. I'm at a hospital. I'm at school. I'm at my work, at my job, at my work office. I'm in a bar. I don't know, in a restaurant. In. And now the verb to be in negative. For example, subject plus verb to be plus not plus complement. For example, I am I I am not a student. Therefore, I am a teacher. I am what happens? I am I am not uh, I am not Carlos. Therefore, I am Peter. And you can also contract I'm not a student, right? Therefore, the same thing. I'm a teacher. I am not Carlos. Right? I am, therefore, I am Peter, right? And we can give examples until the end of the text. I know I am not a gardener. I am a waiter. Contraction, all right? I, I'm, now, I'm not a gardener. I'm a waiter. Understand that? If you get the concept, that's it. This is all I wanted from you. This is all I wanted from you. That's it. This is it. All right? This is it. Okay. Oh, all right. Okay. This is it. Thank you very much.